Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into something exciting. Sex positions that will leave her breathless and barely lasting a minute. If you're ready to turn up the heat in the bedroom, this video is for you. We're about to reveal 5 sex positions that are so intense, she won't be able to hold back for long. Let's get straight to it. 1. The cross-legged cowgirl. First up is the cross-legged cowgirl. This is an absolute game changer. It takes the classic cowgirl position to the next level by adding a little twist, literally. She crosses her legs while on top, which adds extra pressure and friction where it counts the most. Not only does this give her control over the speed and depth, but the crossed legs tighten things up, creating a whole new level of sensation. Trust me, she'll be squirming with pleasure, and it won't take long before she's reaching her limit. 2. The butterfly. Next up, we have the butterfly. This position is perfect for those who want deep, intense penetration with minimal effort. All she has to do is lie back on the edge of the bed while you stand and hold her hips. The angle gives you full control, and the penetration goes deep. So deep that she'll feel every inch. With her legs lifted slightly, you'll be hitting her most sensitive spots with every thrust. The intensity of this position means she won't be able to hold back for long. Keep an eye on her reactions because this one's guaranteed to drive her wild. 3. The deep leg scissors. Now let's turn things up a notch with the deep leg scissors. This one is a fan favorite for a reason. It's all about deep connection and maximum stimulation. She lies on her side, and you straddle one of her legs while holding the other leg up high. The position creates a tight angle and a sense of closeness that intensifies every thrust. The best part? The deep, grinding motion stimulates her G-spot in a way that's almost impossible to resist. It's an intimate yet incredibly powerful position. Don't be surprised if she's begging for more, but chances are she won't last more than a minute in this one. 4. The anvil. Now, if you're looking to push her over the edge, the anvil is the position to try. With her lying on her back and her legs pushed up towards her shoulders, the anvil allows for deep penetration that hits her G-spot with every thrust. The angle creates a level of intensity that's hard to describe, but trust me, she'll feel it in all the right places. This position gives you full control over the depth and speed, and the pressure it creates is almost overwhelming for her. Don't be surprised if she's gripping the sheets and moaning uncontrollably. She won't be able to hold back for long. 5. The modified doggy style. And finally, we have the modified doggy style. Now, we all know the classic doggy is a crowd favorite, but this modified version cranks things up a notch. Have her arch her back more than usual, and you'll get a new angle that hits her deeper than ever before. The arch creates a curve that allows for even more intense G-spot stimulation. Combine that with a fast, rhythmic pace, and you'll have her gasping for breath. The intensity of this position will make her lose control fast. The deep penetration and rhythmic pace will send her over the edge, and there's no way she'll last more than a minute. 6. Building the moment through foreplay. But hey, let's not forget the build-up. Foreplay is key to making these positions even more explosive. Taking your time to tease, touch, and kiss her in all the right places will make the intensity of these positions skyrocket. Her body will be so primed for pleasure that when you finally slip into one of these positions, the release will be almost immediate. The more you build her up, the faster she'll fall when things get heated. So, don't rush it. Enjoy the moment, and make sure she's fully aroused before diving into these power-packed positions. So, there you have it. 5 sex positions where she won't last more than a minute. These positions are designed to hit all the right spots and create a level of pleasure so intense, she'll be breathless in no time. Remember, it's not just about the positions. It's about the connection, the build-up, and knowing what turns her on. Try these out with your partner and see just how quickly the magic happens. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more juicy content, and drop a comment below to let me know which position is your favorite. Until next time, stay passionate, stay playful, and keep the heat alive in the bedroom.